Hi, I'm Meera Khanna,
Hi, I'm Tushar Arora.
and we got married in the lockdown. We surely were scared that we were marrying in this time of crisis, and we were obviously scared about not just us but all the people who were involved, our friends
Yeah.
and family. Hence, we had 150 people over Zoom who couldn't obviously be there physically, but at least attend the wedding and enjoy it.
Yeah.
Which I think in this time was the best thing. We were supposed to get married on the 13th of April, but because of the lockdown,
Yeah. The first lockdown was ending on the 15th of April. And because 13th of April was obviously not possible, we had to postpone the wedding indefinitely.
Yeah.
Because we weren't aware of, like, nobody knew when the things are gonna get easier for us or how long the pandemic is gonna last, etc. etc.
So we had to then choose between either the end of April or the first week of May or the mid of May. So then we eventually decided that we wanted to get married on the 12th of May because by then there was some ease and the government had allowed a maximum of 50 people.
Getting together at one place.
Yeah.
And weddings were allowed basically. So we decided to go ahead with it. We still made sure that it's not even close to 50. We were close to 30 people at her house. That was the
Yeah.
idea, and everything was then done accordingly.
Yeah, the major struggle that we faced was that not a lot of people could turn up. We didn't have most of our friends.
Some close family couldn't
the
make
most
it.
closest family, getting things, outfits, clothes that were already sent to be made. It was really difficult to manage all of it. Even the decor. So
Yeah.
me, my brother, and my cousin, we went out looking for brunches. We thought of like DIY elements. I'm a clothing designer myself, so I had racks at home, clothing racks that we covered with branches and flowers and leaves. Got my niece's hula hoop, covered that with ribbon. So there was a lot of DIY happening to figure everything out. The food was also prepared by my aunt at home. We did have the option but to postpone the wedding, but we didn't do that because our dates, if we didn't do it before June or July, the next date that we would get was for April next year, and we really didn't want to wait so long, and mostly we just wanted to be together in this quarantine, and I don't think we'd ever get that kind of time and space of being together in one
Yeah, so
home.
the whole idea was that we'd rather spend this time together than away, and getting married was more important than where it's happening.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that was the thing. So that's why we decided to go ahead with it right now instead of postponing it.
Regardless of the fact that we were given 50 people as an upper limit, we didn't want to push it. We made sure that we kept it to the bare minimum and had a total of just 30 people, which also included the makeup artist who was also a dear friend and didn't leave during the pandemic, and so was the photographer. Both of them were like family, hence they were there. Managing the guest list was also a very difficult thing. We didn't know who to call, who not to call. His grandmother, maternal grandmother, both my grandparents, maternal and paternal, couldn't come. Also, we didn't want them to, looking at the scenario and the age.
Yeah.
My cousin, she's pregnant, so we couldn't have her. My little niece as well. So it was quite difficult for us. But we realized and knew that everyone's health and safety was the most important thing for us
Yeah.
in this condition. Wedding shopping is really a big thing for everyone, and it was very important. Like jewelry, our rings didn't come in time, so
we somehow figured it
Yeah.
out. We had incomplete jewelry because a lot of businesses had opened, and these jewelers also stayed the same place. So we got some of the things out. So we thankfully had a ring to put on each other's
Yeah.
fingers on the day. So that was great.
And even for the outfit, Tushar had something in his closet, so he picked that.
Yeah.
I picked my mother's sari. Even for the jewelry, I couldn't wear my wedding jewelry because I thought it was really heavy for a home wedding. So I just picked my aunt's jewelry that I think worked really well with the sari. So we didn't really have to go buy and shop anything.
We were anyways
everything-
prepping for a wedding
Yeah.
in April, and this happened in May. So we were kind of prepared for a lot of things already. So it all did work out.
So social distancing, masks and sanitizers were something that we had kept right outside the main gate of our house. So we made sure that whoever's coming in, the temperatures were checked. They had their masks on. So all the guests had their masks on all the time.
Even sanitizers, there were people
Yeah.
with sanitizer sprays standing there sanitizing everybody,
Yeah.
including the both of us, because
Yeah.
it's important for everybody to be safe in such times.
And I think after a very long time, we just saw so much positivity.
So did everybody, and that's why
yeah.
everybody appreciated it and was a part of it and was very happy about it. People were wearing their Indian clothes, sitting on Zoom and enjoying the wedding.
And yeah, I think that was the best thing about the wedding, that everyone was really happy, enjoying it, and there was just so much love and appreciation. And I think that for
Yeah,
us was the
yeah,
best part of the
yeah.
marriage.
Having everybody happy about the wedding is a great feeling.
Yeah, and life after marriage for the two of us, at least for me, is amazing. I know it was really difficult to move into another house, but they've been so sweet and encouraging and taking such good care of me. So I'm pretty happy. I hope Tushar is too.
I'm really happy too. A lot of things have changed.
Yeah, to share a
Yeah.
room and house and life with a
All
girl.
sorts of space is a little different, but yeah, it's all great.
A message for the couples who are affected due to the lockdown and wanna maybe try doing this. I would say just it's all about being together and
Yeah, that's what matters most at the end of the day.
So
There's always scope for a bigger celebration later. In to live in the moment, you gotta do it and just go ahead with it. Whoever can make it can make it.
Yeah.
And not think too much about it, because once you are married and once you are with the person you want to be with, it's all great.
Yeah.
It all works out.